Welcome to Curious Cubs Art.
Hello kids, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're learning to draw and color a princess step by step. Let's start by drawing.
Let's draw a princess. Draw the princess face first. Draw the princess hair. Draw the princess body. Draw the princess arms. Draw the princess dress. Let's add some frill to the dress. Make it beautiful. Draw the princess crown. Draw the princess eyes. Draw the princess smile.
Dark brown color.
Let's color the princess. I am coloring her hair brown. This princess is so beautiful.
Skin color.
I'm coloring the princess' face. She is so pretty. I am coloring the princess' arms.
Pink color.
I am coloring the princess's dress. This princess dress is adorable.
Purple color.
I am coloring the frill.
Sky blue color.
I'm coloring the princess crown.
Yellow color. Light pink color.
I'm coloring princess cheeks. What a beautiful princess.